Hello, this is Jason Hodges with AgTerra. In this video, we will review how to use the Merge Jobs and Application tool. Once I'm logged into the SprayLogger website, I can go to Records and then Merge Applications. As I look in these jobs, I can see various applications. If I have started a job out in the field and I have accidentally selected the wrong job in which I want to do a spray application, this gives me ability to move that to the correct job so I can correct mistakes. I can use my filter search just like I would in my other screens in order to narrow this down, and here I'm going to do that. Here are my Sheridan jobs. So here I have Sheridan 18, which is 3 applications, and then City of Sheridan, which has 3 applications, and so forth. So in this case, I want to take some applications from Sheridan 18, application 100, and I want to move it to my City of Sheridan job. So once I have that selected, I can hit Merge Applications. The only thing I want to move over is this Sheridan 18 job, so I've deselected these City of Sheridan ones. And I can hit what job do I want to merge it into? Well, City of Sheridan. Now there's a warning up here. If you only have one application in a job and you move that over, you'll lose the entirety of that job, meaning the folder that it is contained in, this Sheridan 18, for example. If I have any comments or any other data in that, I'm going to lose that because it'll then be empty and it will delete. So I've got Sheridan 18, I want to move it over to City of Sheridan. I can also create a new job if I want to, put it on its own, but I'm going to go ahead and hit Merge. Since I have a duplicate application number, meaning that the City of Sheridan already has a job 100, I am given the option to give it a new name. You'll get a message that says it was a success, and then your page will refresh. So now when I open City of Sheridan, there's my application 110. Thank you. This has been Jason Hodges on how to merge applications within the SprayLogger system. If you have any questions, please call us at 307-673-1050, or you can email us at solutions@agterra.com.